going on, everyone? We got a 2017 Infiniti QX70 here, and we're getting a maintenance warning on the radio over here. There's actually two places in this car where you can reset it. You can reset it on the cluster here, and you're going to use the dial buttons that you have right here on the cluster itself. Okay. What we're going to do is just hit this a couple times until you get to settings, and then you go down to maintenance and go in here and reset like engine oil and everything like that. This one's not even on in this car. So in this car, we're getting the warning on the radio, and what you're going to do is you need to hit info, and then you can see right here where it says maintenance. Go down to maintenance, and you can see this is where all of our maintenance reminders are. Okay, this one's a little nicer looking. So we're going to go to engine oil. We're going to reset the distance. Okay. We can go back. Not the way to go back, but this is the way we're going back. But you go through all these.